All right, so in this case, we are targeting the one that is in the blue box, which is that one. The first term, it's x. Second term, minus 2x. Third term, minus 5x. Fourth term, minus something. Last term, minus 56x or negative 56x. Because remember, the pluses and the minus separates your terms. All right, so now it's the same thing like we did before. T subscript n. By now you are getting used to it that T subscript n is basically the last term. It's beginning to sink real good in you, which is negative 56, negative 56x. And then we need the n, which I do not know yet. I need the a. A is generally the first term, of which we can see there it's just x. Then we're going to need D, the first common difference. And later we're going to do the sum to n, depending on what n is. Now, the common difference, well, it's going to be easy for us to deal with that one. Because if I take the second term, which is negative 2x, I need to minus the positive x. One can tell the answer is negative 3x. But let's confirm it with the third term and the second, meaning negative 5x minus into negative 2x. Well, this is going to be plus 2, so you end up with negative 3x. So that's good. The first common difference is negative 3x. Everything it's in place for us. We are good. We are smiling. Now we can use the formula that has the last term, but the one with the term, not the sum formula, but the nth term formula. All right, we know it off by heart. So it's going to be T subscript n, which we know is negative 56x equals to A, which we know is x, plus, open the parenthesis, n minus 1, and then we close the parenthesis there. We're going to close those parentheses, and then the first common difference is negative 3x. All right, don't forget, no matter what you've got, n must end up as a natural number. When you take that x, transpose it there, it's going to be minus. So it's going to help you to have negative 57x now. All right, equals to into n minus 1, and then into negative 3x. Like I said, choice is yours. You can take minus negative 3x, multiply it into that bracket. Nothing wrong with that. Or you can divide by negative 3. Come on, when you divide minus 57x by negative 3x, it's going to be positive. The x will be gone. So I just need to take 57 divided by 3 I've got 19. So then I've got 19 equals 2. N minus 1. Wow, when I transpose the 1, I get a 20. So the number of terms that I've got 20 terms. There we go, we're good. So now I've got the number of terms. Now I can use that to get the sum of the first 20 terms of this series. So I'm going to use that short formula. So it's S subscript 20 equals to 20. It must be 20 divided by the 2. It has to be 20 divided by the 2. So it's 20 divided by the 2. All right. So let me kind of back off here a little bit. Yeah, because I needed to put 20 here divided by 20. And then open the brackets, the first term, alphabet X, the last term, negative 56. X, close the parentheses. Well, 20 divided by 2, we know it's 10. In the parentheses, you're going to have minus 55. Minus 55x. You just add a 0 to that number, so it's going to be negative 5. Put a 0 there, and then x. So that would be the final one. So I don't know if this recording came out right, but it should.